All right. Good evening, everybody. So we are starting the programming once again, and I'm feeling better than what I was 2 or 3 days ago. But the thing is, what do you say? I feel like I'm having some sleep deprivation, right? And it is causing some brain fog. So I need to sleep. I am sleeping. Good on me, but good enough. But I don't think that is enough. I don't know, man. Let's see what we got to do. So this is day 6, and there is one program that we have to learn, that is user-defined packages. So we are supposed to implement user-defined packages in Java. Let's implement a simple calculator package. You know that does addition, that does the basic arithmetic operations, and uh, and implement the methods of the package in main method. And right, I need to download Whisperflow, man. Whisperflow, yep, it is called Whisperflow, right? Voice dictation. All right, I need to download this one because it seems like it is a good thing. I will download it as well. So I'm supposed to implement it in Notepad. So we will compile the package first, and then in the same directory we will use the main method program. How is this? Okay, yes sir. So calculator.java. Okay, so package name followed by the code, and then okay, just save it. Save this in project folder. Okay, go to cmd. Java say calculator.java. Compile the package first. So can't you just compile the package just like how you compile normal Java files? Okay, the file sits inside a folder. I see. Okay, let's do this package cals. Can you even speak out the coding? No, I don't want to speak out the coding. So what's the package name? Okay, let's do the name of the package as calculator. Class. Okay, the name of the class on the package should be different, right? Class calculator. Okay, and then what? Mm, void addition. Everything should be public. Is the access specifier public in package class mandatory? Short answer, no, public is not mandatory, but depends. Okay, default access inside the same package, it cannot be. Okay, your main.java cannot access it, but I don't want that. All right. public int add int a and b, that is how you exactly return a plus b, right? Public int subtract int a and b, return a minus b. Public int multiply int a int b, return a times b. Public int add int a int b, if b is equal to 0, can you write that? System dot out dot println division by 0 is not allowed. Else, okay, return 0. Can you return 0 here? Yes, you can, right? Return a by b. So that is method closing and that is class closing. Okay. So you are going to save it in the Java folder, let's say. Java programs, yep. So what should you save it as? Should you save it as a class name or as a package name? Let's save it with a class name, right? That's how calculator dot Java, right? So cmd desktop cd Java programs. So Java C calculator dot Java, right? I expected a semicolon over there. That's true. Okay, that worked. That worked. Right. So compile the first thing with the name of the package, name of the class. Words philosophy day. That's great. Marcus release. What is the second thing that you gotta do? You gotta import that package name dot class name. Okay, import calc. That's it, right? Yes, that's it. And then class package demo. Let's call it that way. Public static void main string of args. And what are you doing in that? You need to create an object. Calculator calculator C is equals to new calculator. Right. Okay, so system.out.println addition. Oh shit. Addition method. Let's see if this works. C data and I'm giving it two parameters 10, 20. That is method close. Alright. Create an object to calculator class and use that addition method. That is what you needed to display here, demonstrate here, right? So package demo Java. Right, so Java C package demo.java. Cannot access calculator. What the heck? Did I write the spelling wrong? where is this folder? Yep, here is the folder. Calculator. Okay, that. Okay, all right. I need to, Okay, this is the convention, so I'm supposed to save it over here and recompile it. Java C calculator dot Java, and now here in this package demo, is this capital C? Yes, it is capital C. Right. So things should work out now. Java C package demo.java. Package calc does not exist. Oh, what? Alright. What to do about it? Your calculator is not the folder that. So. See package calc, but the file is not. Okay, so creating a file with the package name and saving the compile package, and that is mandatory. And can I save the package demo file in the Java programs, or should I save that in calc file too? Yes, 100% mandatory. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, as long as it is inside the same subdirectory. So, as long as it is in the same subdirectory, it doesn't matter. Okay. So, create a new folder named calc, and let's control X this, and let's control V this. Right. So now this should work out. Java C. All right. Package demo.java. Come on. Calculator is not a public in calc. It is okay. The class should be public and the method should be public as well. How did I forget that? Public now works. Let's recompile it. Right, cd calc java c calculator.java. So cd dot java c. What's the name of that? Package demo.java. Okay, that compiled. Package demo. Right, addition method 30. That worked out. So I'm just going to briefly write the procedure over here. Okay. Okay, to write the procedure, I need to have my pen ready. Right. So from here to here, create a subfolder inside a main folder with the package name and save and compile with the class name. Example, subfolder name is my package. The class, the file name is calculator.java. And then what are you going to do? Come to main file and compile it as usual. Import statement with class name. Just like you do the java.util.scanner in the Java class, in the utility, in the Java package, in the utility sub package, you have a class named scanner. Here in the same, in the package calc, there is a class named calculator. So here the name of the package is the name of the class, and you created an object to the class and you have access the method. Everything needs to be public over here. Right, so stuff worked out. Okay. So I need to clean all of these things up in the first place before. This is not required right now. So that's the addition program that we are supposed to learn, and we did learn that. Right now, what are we going to do? We are going to do the previous things. I have already done a few things, and we are going to do them once again. So starting from the default data types to the package and the 3 additional programs, we are going to do that. How many minutes are we up? We had 17 minutes of stream. It might take 1 more hour, so stay tuned. Print all the data types. Yep, it might be same, but we are supposed to do that. Alright, so class data types, we are using static variables to get the default values. So static int my int is equals to, oh, why are you giving it a value? Static float my float, static char my char, static boolean my bool, static byte my byte, static short my short, static long my long, static double my double. That's it, and you are opening the main method. Public static void main string of args. Okay, this is just typing. That's why you call Java as a verbose language. The int is plus my int. Right. Okay, I will just copy this thing. Now what? Control C. The float is my float. The char is my char. The boolean is my boolean. The byte is my byte. The short is my short. The long is my long. The double is my double. That's a close and no. Alright. So what's the name? Data types. Okay, that is the T should be capital according to the Pascal case. Java. Yeah, sure, let's name it as data types demo.java. Data types demo. So CD desktop, CD Java, right, Java C, data types demo Java. There is no, okay, the long. Yes, here is the long. I'm going to save it. Right, that worked. That worked. My boolean. Okay, there is another. I did my bool. My bool. Okay. Java data types demo. Worked out. That's good. Okay, what is the second one? Program to calculate the roots of a quadratic equation. Class quadratic public static void main string of args. So what are we doing now? We need to get the scanner class, right? Right. Import java.util.scanner. Oh, okay. And then what do we do? Create an object for scanner. Scanner s is equals to new scanner. And it takes the argument system.in. Okay. So system.out.println, enter the three coefficients. Okay. Int a is equals to sc dot. Next in there's a method. Int b is equals to sc dot. Next in there's a method too. Int c is equals to sc dot next int. So now you are calculating the discriminant. Let's do it. Double D is equals to square root, right? B squared minus 4AC. So B times B minus 4 times A times C. You calculated the discriminant. If D is greater than 0, system.out.println the roots are real and distinct. Okay. Now double root 1 is equals to minus b plus minus b plus or minus root minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So plus b squared minus 4ac, that is d. Right. Math dot sqrt, that's a function, minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2 times a. So double root 2 is equals to minus b minus math dot sqrt of d. Okay, you will have another bracket over here, obviously, by 2 times a. Okay, and now you are printing out the system. Print down the roots are plus root 1. Okay, plus and plus root 2. That worked? Yes, this and this and this and this. Okay, so if d is equals to 0, system dot out dot println the roots are real and equal. Okay, you can just do the same thing because it will result in 0 anyways. The root is plus, root 1. That works. You can just remove this part. If d is less than 0, what are you going to do? You are going to separately calculate the real part and the imaginary part. The real part is equals to minus b by 2a, right? Minus b by 2 times a. So double imaginary part is equals to so plus minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. So b squared minus 4ac is going to be the negative value. So minus d, you are going to calculate it by 2 times a. And now you are going to print them out with a formatting text. Right, you are just going to print them neatly, that's it. The root 1 is, right, let's print it out as real part, a plus ib format, right? Okay, so plus, and you need to get a plus in that, a plus bi. So, and imaginary part plus I. Okay, and I will just copy this one. Now just paste it out. The root 2 is in the place of plus you will have minus. That's it. Okay, that worked. This is the close of the if, and this is the close of the main method, and this is the close of the class. So what is the name of this? Come on, quadratic dot Java. Okay, I want to close this one again. Ouch. CD desktop, CD Java C quadratic dot Java quadratic. Okay, let's do it. 1 minus 5 6, that is our classic. It compiled without errors. Okay, what? No, 5.5 on 4.5. No, right? X squared minus 2x minus 3x. What happened? B squared minus 4ac minus b. plus b square minus 4a plus or minus b square minus. It is correct only, right? The code is correct only. Discriminant, okay. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, b square minus 4, I say that's correct. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This mine by 2a, this gets to only this. So write out the equation minus b. So this b needs to be for a whole. You can remove these braces if you want, and you are supposed to enclose with this. Oh shit. So now it will do minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. For a whole that you will have 2 times a. Now this works. Let's recompile it. Java. You will, form new associations once you code. Will not 1, minus 5, and 6. 3.0 and 2.0 exactly. So beware of the braces. I will write it out. Beware of the braces. Okay, do we have any? Hey man, following you for some dismounts. Hey, hey, good to hear that. So personally, I suffered through a lot in forming logic, and let me get this one thing straight. So okay, you might not be there by the time I'm saying this, so I will just type it out. So if you come back, you can see that. So I am not that good by myself, but I just practice. Honestly, I don't feel like streaming some days, but I do. That's like forcing myself to code. See, that's the only way of learning stuff. And all the best for your future too, man. Let's grow together. Right, that should work out. Alright, we did that. Various methods of string buffer. So string buffer is a built-in class, right? You don't need a utility package for that. So class string buffer demo. Don't write string buffer; it will cause clashes. Public static void main string of args. So you are creating an object to the string buffer. String buffer sp is equals to new string buffer system dot in. No, why do you need that? Okay, I got habituated to writing the scanner. So in the string buffer constructor, you need to pass this the string that you want to do the manipulations with. So I have created a string buffer object, and you have access to various methods. So system.out.print, and then the original string is plus sb, and sb dot we have delete char at We have sb dot delete. We have sb dot delete caret. We have sb dot length. Right. We have sb dot caret to find the character and to delete the character and to delete a range of characters as well. So let's delete the space, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 is the space, and the updated string is, let's do the updated string is all right, and then sb dot delete sb dot delete. So the indices, let's do it from 0 to 4, right? And then okay, you are supposed to copy this one. All right, and now you have demonstrated the two methods. So for int I is equals to 0, I less than sb dot length. Sb dot length is a method I plus plus. If sb dot caret I is equals to I'm manually deleting the O's right here. Sb dot delete char at I. So you are deleting and you need to update the index, right? So I minus minus because it need to come back again and to check. So that is if clause and that is a for clause, and the updated string is that, and that is a method clause and that is a class clause. So string buffer demo dot java. I closed the CMD again. Oh my god. String buffer demo dot java string buffer demo. Alright, everything worked out fine. Everything worked out fine. So you just need to take care of 4 methods: sp dot delete, sp dot delete caret, sp dot delete no wait sb dot caret, sp dot delete caret, sp dot delete, and sp dot length. The length is a method, so it takes the parenthesis as well. And what do we have next? Search for an element using binary search. This is great. So obviously you want that java.util.scanner. You need a scanner class, and then what do we have? Okay, the class name, class binary search demo, public static void main string of args. Okay, and create an object scanner. Sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. Create an object for the scanner class, and what are we doing next? So int array is equals to int array is equals to new int okay, let's see if that is the correct syntax or not. I don't remember. So first you need to get the size, enter the size, right? Int n is equals to say that next int. Let's maximize it because why not? All right. So for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. array of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, that's the for loop, and you have taken the elements. So enter elements in ascending order. Right, we are taking the elements in ascending order, and what are we doing next? Int L is equals to 0, R is equals to size, alright, n minus 1, and while L is less than R, you need to get the goddamn key, right? System.out.print and then enter the key. Right, so int key is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, while L is less than or equals to R, int mid is equals to L plus R by 2. We calculated the mid, and if that's the index of mid actually, for array of mid is equals to key, we're going to system dot println element found at index plus where it is found mid plus mid plus 1. That's it. And you will break out of that. Else if array of mid is smaller, and the key you need to search is on the left side, whereas whether you are making changes in the right, r is equals to mid minus 1, and if that's not the case, l is equals to mid plus 1. That is the close of the else, and that is the close of the while. Okay, and if l is greater than r, let's say system dot out dot println element not found. That's the close, and that's the two clauses. We're going to save it as what? Binary search demo. Binary search demo dot java. Java C binary search demo dot java. Okay, sc dot next, and you expected a semicolon. Okay, this is not the okay. Java C binary search demo dot java. No, what? Array dimension missing. Okay, how do you initialize an object for integer? That is it, right? Are you supposed to give the size? Okay, array dimension missing. You're supposed to give the size. No, does that work? Okay. Okay. I can see that. Right. And the size, let's do it 5. 1, 4, 9, 10, 20. And the key, let's do it 10. It should return 4. Dude, you what? No, what? Is it okay? Did I do it reverse? If the element is smaller, shit. Okay, okay, no swearing. So if the element to be found is in key, it is greater. So this case goes here, and this case goes here. Okay, you are supposed to compile it. Java C binary search demo Java binary search demo. See, you sometimes forget that you don't compile the changes. Yes, that's debugging, and I like that. All right, so let's continue. I have did like 3 to 4 times that program, but still I got errors. But I was able to debug that. So, all right, let's write some notes for this. Okay, let's write the method for string for just for a review. Sb dot delete sb dot delete caret sb dot caret sb dot length. These are the four methods we are using. Right. So size is mandatory when creating object. Beware of the cases. Right, that's good. Almost an hour, so bubble sort should be able to do this. So how many minutes inflated the stream? 47 minutes. Let me just drink a bit of water and we shall continue. Hmm, we can take that. Now what happened? Import java.util.scanner class bubble sort demo public static void main string of args. Okay. Scanner sc new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print and enter the size of the array. Right. Int n is equals to sc dot next int int array is equals to new int of size n. And then what are we doing? Enter the elements or doesn't need for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus system dot out dot println. Nope, why do you need that? Array of I is equals to sc dot next int. Right, okay, and for again int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For I sometimes get an index run. Sorry, what do you call it? Array index out of bounds error here. I just need to check that. If array of j is so you need to swap it when the first element is greater. So you are going to just use the swap logic. In temp is equals to array of j. Array of j is equals to array of j plus 1. Array of j plus 1 is equals to temp. If close and 2 for clauses. So system dot out dot print ln the sorted array is for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. System dot out dot print. Right. Array of I, you will print it, and plus you will print, let's say, 2 spaces. That works. That should work. Bubble sort demo dot java. Java sing bubble sort demo dot java. Where did I write? Where did I mess that for loop? Is equals to k unclosed string literal. The sorted array is I did not close that, and I closed it. I love the fact that the more amount of errors you see, the better you become at debugging. So get your hands dirty. That's what I say. Let's do 5, 1, 3, 2, 5, and 10. Yes, I thought array index out of bounds. As I thought. Here you are supposed to do j minus n minus 1. Because it need to do, 4 swaps. Okay, where did I do that? Where did I do that? I'm supposed to do it over here. Do you need to put that in that? Okay. The code is really verbose. See, that is a runtime error. Good. And I actually have not checked the bubbles or actual logic. Right. Let's give the elements in descending order now. Good. Okay, I closed it again. 54 minutes. I see. So let's continue. What do we have? Implement class mechanism. Okay. So what will you do? you will write a static method and a normal method in a class. So let's do a class e-addition. So, and in that we will do void add int a int b system dot out dot print and then a plus b. That works. I don't know. We will see that out. So static void addition int a int b system dot out dot println a plus b the same. So now class make demo, because why not, public static void main string of args, and let's call this addition method addition dot addition. I don't know. I don't know if this works. New addition. Okay. A dot add class MacDemo.java. I really pulled out that code right now, by the way. That worked, okay. Good. You can just write some things here, like calling out the static method without creating the object. Calling the method with an object. You can recompile it and you can see that. Okay. Reach the end of file while parsing. Okay. What? Okay, is it a one-time thing then? Ouch. That's not Java, that's Java. Did I compare it? Okay. I guess I had a new founding. How is this? Source file mode execution. Wow. Wow. I didn't know that, man. I didn't know that. Right. Okay. No, knowing that wouldn't hurt, right? Knowing that wouldn't hurt. Unless you get confused. All right. Method overloading. That's a good thing. Class edition. Mm-hmm. So void add. No, let's do int add. Why not? Should we write a constructor for this? Why? Yep. No, you are overloading the method. So how can you write a constructor? Right. So int add int a int b return a plus b. Right. And overloading the method again. Int a int b int c return a plus b plus c int add double a double b return a plus b. All right. Mm-hmm. Class method demo. No, this is actually method overloading. Method overloading. Yep, that is good. Public static void main string of args. So calling addition a is equals to new addition and a dot add. So let's do that. System dot out dot println. Right. A dot add 10 comma 20. System dot out dot println. A dot add 10 comma 20 comma 30. System dot out dot println. A dot add 2.0 comma 3.5. How is that? Okay. So method overloading dot ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's JVA. Java. Right. Let's try our new trick. Method overloading dot Java. That worked in compatible Lucy conversion. Obviously. The return type should be double. Good, good, good. 1 hour and 4 minutes. So let's continue. Constructor. The next one is constructor. Where are we now? We are at exercise 3. We got 3 more exercises to go. Maybe in 1 hour we should be able to do it. Class dog, okay. Let's create the data. String name, string breed, int age. How about that? So dog constructor, it will take the same parameters, string name, string breed, int age. Use this keyword, this dot name is equals to name, this dot breed is equals to breed, this dot age is equals to age. Wrote the constructor, and what are we doing now? We are calling out a method. Display right system dot out dot print and name plus name. Right, escape sequence works here, right? So breed plus breed. Okay. And another escape sequence age plus age works. The closing of the class, okay. And class constructor demo public static void main string of args. So calling the dog constructor, dog d is equals to new dog. Let's give it the name Bunny. That's our puppy's name. And Jack Russell is the dog breed. And what's the age? It is almost 12 years. It's an old short dog. So D dot display. Alright. Called it and calling the method. What? Yeah, this is not it. My bad. Constructor demo not Java. Let's do the traditional thing as well. Java C constructor demo not Java. I missed some semicolons and here name plus name, and then there is a plus here, breed plus breed. Okay, that is it. Dude, what's with this C? I don't know from where I'm getting that C. Java constructor demo. Good. That worked. Right. Okay. What next? Constructor overloading. Okay. I'll drink some water. Constructor overloading. So you overload the constructor. It's 8:45 already. So class. Let's name the class as dog only. Let's overload that constructor. Alright. Or we can call the product. That makes more sense. So it will have string name and string id, and it will have int or double price. Alright, initialize that. String name, string id, double price. And if you notice, the S is capital and string because it is a class, not a data type. That comes automatically. This dot name is equals to name. This dot id is equals to id. This dot price is equals to price, and you called it. So that is when you have all the three things. Let's say you have only two. String string name, string id. Let's say you have only these two. Then you call this dot name is equals to name. This dot id is equals to id. This is only used when that price, let's set it as 100. Again overloading the constructor. Let's only have the name now, and we can also have you can write the default constructor as well. This dot name is equals to name, right? id is equals to, let's do 1 to s, why not? Price is equals to 100, that's the default value, let's say. And you can also write the constructor with everything default if you want. Name is equals to phone, id is equals to 1 to s, price is equals to 100. This is going to be a hell lot of problem. Alright, and now class constructor overloading demo, that is a very verbose name. Public static void main string of arts. Okay, so product p is equals to, okay, you need a display method as well. Oh god, void display system dot. Alright, I messed up the bracket spacing placement. Okay, so name plus name plus backslash n, right? id what? Okay, wait. id plus backslash n, price plus price. Works. Now all you gotta do is just control exit, put it over there. That's it. New product. Let's give the names as laptop, and id is 1 2 3 4. That's the integer, but I want to treat it as a string. Let's give it a $500 of price, and p dot display, and let's use another constructor. Product p2 is equals to new product. This time I'm only giving the name laptop and the id one. Okay, it is a string, so it works. It works. P2 dot display. Yes, I need to take a break. Product P3 is equals to new product. Let's now just give the name laptop. P3 dot display product. P4 is equals to new product, nothing now. And now let's call the display function as well. Those are the closes and constructor overloading demo dot java. Anyone is here? Alright, there are some people here. So java c constructor overloading demo dot java. Expected semicolon. Where did you expect a semicolon? Illegal start of an expression. Illegal start of an expression. Okay. Okay. You did not close the constructor. This is a method closing. Okay, that works. Again, I messed up with the brackets. Good, good, good. You can also, do a backslash and for more clarity if you want to. Java constructor overloading demo, right? That is more clarity, right? That is having more clarity. Good, good. I'm satisfied. And next, what? Single inheritance. So inheriting the characters, dog is an animal, so write an animal class, write a dog class, and that extends the animal class. Write a method like make sound and eat, and call both the methods, and that's how you show the single inheritance. Okay, it's 9 and I did not eat yet. I will eat, and if possible, I will make another stream. Right, because I'm not feeling sleepy. And eating late is bad, so I will meet you people once again and have a great day. I hope I will stream again. Bye.